Listen up, lads. Yesterday in Munich, BMW just pulled off the most legendary resurrection of the i3 name in history. But forget that plastic city box from the past. This 2026 BMW i3 Sedan Neue Klasse is a proper tech monster. I call it the end-of-range anxiety. Welcome back to the UK Motoring Hub. If you want to stay ahead of the car game, smash that subscribe button right now. Let's get stuck in. The best part, the thing that's got the whole world buzzing, is that 560-mile range. Yes, you heard me right. 560 miles on a single charge. That means you could drive from London to Aberdeen without even glancing at a charging map. This isn't just another EV. It's a steel-toed boot delivered straight to the front doors of Texas and Guangzhou. Don't start typing fake news just yet. Hit subscribe and I'll strip it down to show you why the Germans are betting the whole house on this 560-mile beast. Looking at the 2026 i3 head-on, I swear BMW's design team just had a massive internal purge. They've binned that hideous giant nostril grille and brought back the classic shark nose look from the 70s. It's masculine, it's aggressive, and it's proper BMW. The kidney grille is horizontal now, wrapping around the LED headlights. It's not just an air intake, it's a digital screen that talks with light. The whole body is so smooth, I reckon if a fly tried to land on the bonnet, it'd slide right off and break its neck. That ultra-low drag coefficient is the secret to hitting that insane 560-mile range. Some purists will moan, "It's lost its soul." Give it a rest. This design is like your ex-boyfriend suddenly hitting the gym, getting a sharp fade, and wearing a slim-fit suit. It looks a bit different, but let's be honest, it's bloody tempting. Step inside and BMW has officially sent that old curved display to the retirement home. Welcome to BMW Panoramic Vision, a massive head-up display running across the entire base of the windscreen, from pillar to pillar. It's brilliant because the info stays low enough not to block your view. But be careful, this screen is so sharp that if you're sneaking out and a text saying "I miss you" pops up on the glass, the missus in the passenger seat will read it before you can even blink. Modern tech is the enemy of privacy, gents. And here's the money feature, the heart of joy supercomputer. BMW doesn't call it an ECU, they call it a heart. It processes data 10 times faster than previous systems. From throttle to brakes to suspension, everything is coordinated smoother than a bunch of blokes at a Sunday pub roast. It's so smart that before you even think about turning, the car's already prepped the chassis for a perfect corner. Back to that 560-mile range and charging. The i3 2026 uses an 800V system and Gen 6 cylindrical batteries. The result? 250 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Imagine this. You pull into the services, hit the loo, wash your hands, and grab a Costa coffee. By the time you're back, the car says, "Right then, boss, let's do another 250 miles." This 400 kilowatt charging speed is so fast, I'm wondering if BMW has a secret deal with NASA. 10 minutes for 250 miles? That's less time than it takes your wife to get ready for a night out. The best bit is the cell-to-pack battery, integrated directly into the chassis. It's stiff, it's low, and it handles like a touring car but rides as smooth as a Rolls-Royce. I'm guessing, at least. I've never actually been in a Rolls, have I? There's a cold, hard truth. BMW confirmed the i4 is officially retiring after 2026 to make room for this i3 sedan. My condolences to anyone who splashed the cash on an i4 last year. Your car just became a tech fossil. The i3 Neue Klasse is superior in every way. Wider, 30% faster charging, and infinitely smarter. Why is BMW being so ruthless? Because they know if they don't kill themselves, the competition will do it for them. The i3 2026 is a statement. Tesla, China, pay attention. This is how the Germans redefine the electric car. So, should you put your money down? In short, the 2026 i3 is for the man who wants speed without the faff, tech without the clutter, and wants to slap anyone who says EVs are soulless. 10 minutes charging, 560 miles of range, and a heart of joy. It's a massive power move to snatch the crown back from the Tesla Model 3. Buy an i3 2026 and the only thing you'll worry about isn't running out of juice. It's explaining to your wife why a 10-minute toilet break at the services gave you enough charge to drive another 250 miles. She won't believe the 8-volt tech. She'll just think you've got a secret stash of cash hidden at the charging hub. What do you think of this superstar? Is 560 miles enough to make you forget the eye-watering price tag? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and share this with that mate who's about to buy an i4 so he knows how brutal the future is. Cheers for watching the UK Motoring Hub, and happy charging!